Hey there, today I wanted to stop in and do a review on this Milliard Tri-fold mattress. This is the queen size that we have in our camper. We are a full-time camper living family of 6. We have 4 children, and this is the mattress that my husband and I sleep on all the time. This is a memory foam, so you can still see my handprint in there. The memory foam is comfortable. It will conform to your body. Like I said, this is a little bit of a more stiff mattress. We used to use this in our house when we had a single family home as our guest mattress. We would just have it folded up in the corner of the bedroom and unfold it when we had a guest come. It is very nice because it does have the mattress cover. This cover is one whole piece. There are 3 separate panels in this queen size mattress. Each piece has its own zipper pouch that it goes in. So you'll see here, let me find the zipper. So here you can see I have it unzippered so you can kind of get an idea of how the mattress looks. This is the foam pad underneath. It is covered in like a jersey knit t-shirt type material, but this is kind of a padded cover. It is very nice and quality feeling. We've really enjoyed that. The mattress cover does have like this bamboo design all over it, so that is on there. And this has been a really great product because it is not super heavy. It is way more comfortable than having an air mattress. So if you are considering this for your guests, this is leaps and bounds way more comfortable than an air mattress. You don't have to worry about it deflating and refilling it up every single time. These panels are very easy to remove and zipper back in here. And I also like that the cover does fit on here snugly. I do not like when my bed is all wrinkled, so these lay nice and flat and fit on here wonderfully. Let me go ahead and I will show you what it looks like when it is folded. This is what it looks like when you have one side folded up. And this is how it looks when you have it completely folded up. This was very easy for me to do all by myself. It is extremely light. One person could carry it. It's not super heavy. The problem with one person carrying it is that it is kind of bulky. So it does help to have a second person, but I have had absolutely no problem moving this mattress around, sliding it around on the floor by myself. So if this is something you're going to use in a spare bedroom, we actually used to cover it with a blanket in the spare bedroom, and you could almost use it like a day bed. The back side, as you can see here, is mesh. So the backs and the sides are all mesh, and the topper has this padded finish to it, which is nice. This is a Milliard product, so they always come with the Certa Pure US certifications. So you can see here, this kind of shows you what you're going to have with their products. So it's always nice to have the low VOC. And then we have our care instructions here, so you can remove the cover and put it in the washing machine. And of course, do not use bleach, wash on a normal cycle. You can spot clean the foam that's in there. So this has been a great product for us. We have really enjoyed it. We've gotten a ton of use out of it as we sleep on it at night, and before we moved into our camper, we had guests sleeping on it. It's leaps and bounds better than an air mattress, and hopefully this review kind of helps you make your decision on whether or not it's a good product for you to purchase.